Love it when my dad refers me work. My mate needs a website designing, told him £500. I've sent him your number. What? How big is the website? Normal screen size. If you can travel back in time, what will you do? Developers. Time zones creator.
Get what you deserve!
Alpha males when a full release male walks in. I don't use Git. I don't even store code in files. I just remember it and retype every time. Beginner C++ programmers when they learn a new language. Well, that just sounds like C++ with fewer steps. You're goddamn right. People using Photoshop to create fake tweets. Programmers who can just use the browser's dev tools. Look what they need to mimic a fraction of our power. Me. Import TensorFlow as PLT, import Pandas as NP, import NumPy as TF. Satan. Well, I just want to say that I'm a huge fan.
That's the evilest thing I can imagine!
Try. Catch. This is fine. This is beautiful. I've been looking at it for 5 hours now. A well-written documentation is better than any online course to learn a framework, tech stack, library, etc. Change my mind. A well-written Stack Overflow answer is better than everything else. You can't change my mind. S, Q, L, SQL, SQL, Squirrel. Software engineer's dream seen by a software engineer. Software engineer's dream seen by a HR manager. Good news. I have tidied up the code. Bad news. It no longer works. No, you must use Veeam as your main editor. Atom is the best. Use Sublime Text. No, I prefer VS Code because it's easier to save and quit. Let me open my fancy IDE. Creator. Support. Ticket. Create a support ticket. Message you in Slack. You guys have a ticket system. I'm going to write a recursive function. With a base case, right? Poor girl, he should have used iteration instead. When you debug for 2 hours, but realize you started the unedited build the whole time. Bro, I'm straight up not having a good time. And then you realize you're on the wrong branch. You're such a dumb animal. You've looked up how to do file operations in Python 74 times in the past week.
Why must you hurt me in this way?
Beginner programmers. I am going to make the next Facebook and acquire Google. Advanced programmers. Anyone need a website? These are the requirements. You can start development. They won't change during development, right? They won't change, right? Me. Fixing a typo in the README. The giant bug I still don't want to fix. Let's go, in and out, 20-minute adventure. Meeting ended 3 hours 14 minutes. 1 divided by 2. 0.5. 0.5. True divided by 2. True divided by true plus not false. Devs. We work remote now. Just for the pandemic, right? You'll come back after, right? CAPTCHA. To prove you're not a robot, please select all images with scooters. Me? Okay, CAPTCHA. That is a moped. You fool. You absolute imbecile. Frick CAPTCHAs. All my homies hate them. I'm going to run integration tests. You're not testing in prod, right? You're not testing in prod, right? People, what debugging tool you use? Me? Print? Beginner programmers when they learn a new language. Well, that just sounds like Python with extra steps. When you are spending more time in meetings, Excel and Jira and very less time doing coding. Oh god, I'm turning into manager. Oh god, I'm turning into tech lead. 2 exclamation mark equals 2. Programmers, no. Mathematicians, yes. It is semicolon, we will hardly use it. Computer science student. You can't find a perfect programmer girl, because she sit all day at home doing programming just like you. No, don't tell me there is no chance. Interviewer, so what makes you suitable for the job? Guilfoyle, I hacked your systems and invited myself for this interview. Gets arrested for hacking. This is how comments in code work. Long yellow things. Recruiter describes in great detail all the responsibilities and qualifications they expect from you for the job, but refuses to give you any salary information about the role. Candidate does not respond. Recruiter. It's called VS Code because it's always you versus your terrible code. Me trying to find the bug. Working code. The actual bug. When I see errors in my code. The world is a cruel and unjust place. There is no harmony in the universe. The only constant is suffering. Hours of debugging later. Oh my god, it works. What working on a Git repo by yourself feels like. Me, myself, and my branches. Can someone help me? My code doesn't work. God tier meme. Full reliable. Printf here. Watches one video on HTML. The adverts on YouTube for the rest of his life. So you want to be a software engineer at Google. First coding class of CS. Professor, warnings are as important as errors. Me writing the code. Me writing readme. Same but backwards. Back-end developer doing CSS. It's not wrong if it works. Front-end. Back-end. Me waiting for compiling to end. Please wait patiently for the failure of the system. When there's a bug in the code, but your shift ended 9 seconds ago. When your logs show a different error from the one you've been seeing for the past 3 hours. Are your parents developers? Yeah, they are. Is HTML programming language? Of course. Your foster parents are dead. Boys teaching girls how to code. Oh dear, gorgeous. Boys teaching boys how to code. You freaking donkey. Program runs properly. Me tries to optimize it. Program now. Well, now I am not doing it. Beginner Git user. Merge conflicts. Adding another programming language to my resume after learning how to write hello world in it. Python print. C++, cout. Java, system out println. Me, I forgot to free memory. You will take care of it? C++. No, I don't think I will. Interviewer asks me a sorting algorithm. Nervous me. Best I can do is bubble sort. Java, null pointer exception. What do I have to change? Whoa, you made it to the end. Here's some meme juice for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily meme juice. Also, check out the description for more juicy meme videos. See ya!